Hello guys, welcome back to Patience Cooking. Oh, if you're new here, please subscribe, and to my returning subscribers, thank you very much. I really appreciate you. Today we are making stir fry chicken, broccoli and mushroom, guys. I really love mushroom. I also love chicken. I'm using chicken breast for this recipe, and I also love broccoli so much. So we are I had a little problem with my camera, so I'm chopping the mushroom. This is me chopping the green onions and later on the broccoli. So just chop the broccoli into some reasonable sizes, the way you would like. So this is me chopping the onions in the size that I want. Then after you separate it from each other, then the chicken breast, guys. So you kind of slice the chicken breast in the size that you actually want. This is the size that I actually want. So now we are done chopping the chicken to reasonable sizes. Now it's time for us to marinate it. I use a bit of black pepper, salt, cornstarch, olive oil, a bit of chili and garlic powder. Okay, so I use a little bit of green sauce or sour sauce, whatever sauce you have that will work for you, and then add a bit of water and mix together and let it stay for like 30 minutes while we are doing the other things. So it's time for us to start stir frying our ingredients. So in an empty fry pan, put some oil, let it hot, and you put the green onions and the white onions and let it stir fry for like 3 minutes. Take it out. Take a look. It looks so delicious, guys. I'm already feeling very hungry. So we'll put the mushrooms and stir fry a little bit, and then add the broccoli and then continue to stir fry for like 1 minute, after which we'll be adding some little ingredients. Here I'll be adding a bit of chili pepper, a bit of salt and a bit of black pepper, guys. So just put the quantity that you can appreciate. Okay, so cover and let it cook for like 1 minute 30 seconds. Then stir fry a little bit and cover and let it cook again for like 1 minute 30 seconds, and voila, your stir fried mushrooms and broccoli are ready, guys. So you just take it out like I'm doing in the video, then add a bit of olive oil, any olive oil of your choice, and then put some garlic. So stir fry the garlic a little bit, then put in the marinated chicken breast and let it stir fry for like 2 minutes. Then you can cover it and let it cook for like 2 minutes. Then you open and stir fry again and cover it and let it cook for like 2 minutes. Then we can now add some ingredients into it. So now you put like 1 teaspoon or even 2 teaspoons of sour sauce. I'm also using some honey sauce, putting a bit of water. Remember, we use cornstarch, so we have to thicken the sauce. Then you add the stir fried vegetables that we already made. Remember, we stir fried mushrooms, broccoli and some onions. So this is really looking delicious, guys. Broccoli are very, very delicious and they are important for our health. So it's very important that we every now and then make broccolis, mushrooms, and voila, your recipe is ready. Look at it, it looks super delicious. I actually serve this with rice, but you can serve it with maybe potatoes, plantain, whatever you want to serve it with. So this is looking so delicious, and believe me, I enjoy this so much, and I'm sure that if you try it at home, you will enjoy it. Guys, if you love this recipe, please subscribe, like, and share my video. Thank you for watching.